The National Weather Service in Monterey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Marin County in northwestern Columbia, Ivan County in northwestern Columbia, until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located just offshore of Marin County, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.